Hi guys! Gawa tayo ng ating snack. A healthy snack. It's an oatmeal. Rolled oatmeal. Rolled oats pala. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng sugar. And then, lalagyan din natin ng chia seeds na high in omega-3 and high in fiber. So, this snack is a heart-healthy snack. That's why you should try this to make your heart healthy. And we put milk, added protein, and then mix na natin. And ready na ang ating healthy snack. At ipapartner natin yan sa ating coffee. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng healthy snack, mag-oatmeal na rin kayo. Lagyan nyo ng chia seeds at milk. Para yummy. Healthy pa. Ayan ang ating coffee. At ang ating ready to eat na oatmeal. Thank you. Bye-bye. That's it. Heart healthy snack. Oatmeal. Bye.